Hey guys, today we got an ARE CX series. It's a little bit on the rougher side. Fits the 09 to 14 F-150. It's the white tri-coat, so it's a pearl white color. Like I said, it's got some issues, but it's not horribly bad. I mean, physically it looks good, but it does have scratches. You can see through here we got some nicks through there, got a couple scratches there, a couple scratches there. It does have some scratches on the roof through here, over there some. Got a couple nicks right there. A couple more scratches, chips there on the roof, a scratch out there. It's not horribly bad, but they're kind of like all over this. Right there. A couple scratches through there. Down through here. Got some more chips through there. There's a little bit of a scuff mark on the plastic trim there on the bottom. And that's just a bug or something. A little bit more of a scuff mark. Nothing really major there. A couple nicks there. Scuff mark there. And another couple nicks. Has a half side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. Has some more chips up through here. Through there, got a little scuff mark. And we've got basically just a bunch of chips along this whole front edge through here. Through there. And then it's not as bad. There's still some through here, but it's not horribly bad on this side. On this corner, it's got some damage right there on the corner there. There's a little bit of staining here on the glass, but that would probably clean up. Has the sliding window, but I can't oh, here we go, sliding window. I can't reach out to get it from the inside. There you go. Kind of see like the damage right there on the corner of that. That's probably the worst of the whole thing, is right there on that corner. On this side, pretty much the same as the other side, just a lot of nicks and paint chips and just a lot of that going on this one. Get about 10 foot away from it, it isn't too bad, but if you're up close to it, you just see a lot of stone chips on it. Some more through there, just, you know, just constant chips through there. You got a pretty good spot there with the bigger stone chips area there, or whatever. Some scuffs on the bottom edge here, a couple chips there underneath the window. And then you got some scuff marks down there, and then we're back to that corner. Half side slider on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Okay, then I got some scratches there, and I got some damage to this door. Looks like it's been tweaked. It hit in the garage door or something to that effect. If I had to guess, that's usually what happens to them. A little scuffs there on the top. More scuffs there. Then down through here, and probably whatever did the door probably caused the scratch there at the same time, whatever that was. The door works. It is sprung, but it does latch and shut. And you just got to kind of push it tight and then latch it. So it does latch. We put a new lock handle on it. It seems to work fine. Said it's just kind of sprung, and you can kind of see, but it seems to work and shut and do everything it's supposed to do. So little tear in the screens there. Little tears in the screen there. And a little bit of a hole there. It is carpeted on the inside. It's a nice top. Other than that, it just doesn't look like it wasn't taken care of very well. Let's see if I can get. Oh, that's just stuck. Let's see if I can get that open. Wow, that's just stuck. It does slide, but man, that's gonna have to take a little bit of work to open that up. Somebody should open that up ahead of time for me. There's a little bit of a tear or a scuff there in the screen. Looks good through there. Got down there, got a snag in the screen there. Snag in the screen there. So there's the serial number. It's built specifically for a 2009 Ford double cab short bed. UG white platinum, so it's a tri-coat, so it's the pearl white color. So there it is, ARE CX series. Fits the 09 to 14 Ford F150 with a 6.5 foot bed. White tri-coat. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our site. So you can just click that link, go to our site, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, color, size, height, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.